Sugilon at anong magandang hangin na nagpulo sa inyo para humilera sa mga bigating kandidato sa pagka-presidente kagaya na pinag-usapan namin earlier na si Duterte. Attorney ba, magandang hangin po sa inyo.
Magandang magandang. Ako si Attorney Apolonia Comilla Sumilon. Galing sa Mindoro, sa Coro Oriental Mindoro.
Ilocano po kayo, ha?
At Tagalog. Sumilon from Ibahay, Apulan. At Batawa, at I came from Mindoro. Now,
Di ba Comilla, Batangas?
yes, may the roots of my father and mother came from Batangas.
Kwenta, kwenta.
I am a practitioner, law practitioner. I am the lawyer of the press. Those who cannot pay the attorney's fees, I am the lawyer.
Busy. May libel ako.
Kaya ba, mag-aalit na taon na po yung mag-aalit na taon na po yung aking Maguindanao Massacre. Yung Kapatuan Massacre, alam ko kung nangyayari. Baka makatulong kayo doon.
Nasaan yung driver ng bako? That is the first thing that this prosecution should have done. They should have presented the driver of bako to determine who ordered the driver to be the operator to be at the site at that moment. Is there a project of the DPWA? So we cannot pinpoint who is the mastermind. It is not just a picture, although the picture speaks 1,000 words. But unless the cause of the death is proven in court, the court cannot do otherwise. There must be evidence. And the first witness will be the backhoe operator. Who ordered the backhoe operator to be there? And what is the purpose of being there? Who ordered? That's the reason. Now, where is now the operator?
Pag-usapan po natin mamaya na kasi opisyal din ako ng nasa Prascar. Pero gusto kong tugtog kayo kasi ngayon lang kayo nadalo sa akin. Anong meron si Attorney Comilla Sumilon para ikaw ay iboto namin presidente? At kalimutan namin ang iba pang mga ngayon na nakaporma na ng mga presidentials from Mar Rojas to Grace Poe to si Duterte, hindi pa ka nagdideklara. At iba pang mga ngayon ay mga nakaporma na mga presidentials. Ano po ang meron kayo na wala sila?
Okay. The leader of this country must not only be honest and morally upright. That is my first qualification. I am honest and I am morally upright. I have a knowledge of law and justice, and I know for myself what is justice and what is law. I have a great love for the country. Have concern for the welfare of the people, especially the youth, the elders, the disabled, the less enlightened. I have the political will to implement the laws and the policies of the state. I have the experience and ability. And I have the fear thereof. There must be 7 qualifications of a leader of this country to solve the problems of this country. And the root of these problems, economic, social, and political problems, is only one, and that is corruption. Now, if we have zero corruption, then we can provide free education from nursery up to college level. Academic, technical, vocational, and agricultural. We can increase even the salaries of the employees of the government. We can even hire many doctors, many teachers, and so forth. We can provide free hospitalization and medicine. We can provide housing for every homeless family. We can assist the farmers, the cooperatives, the fishermen, and the laborers in their endeavor to enhance their potential, their talent, and their lives. Now, we can do this. How are we going to solve corruption? By administering, running the government under a complete transparency and full accountability. That even a single centavo that will enter and get out from the government pocket is accounted for. And then we must remove red tape. how are we going to do this again? Then we have to place the entire agencies of the government under a website communication so that even a high school and elementary student can just browse upon the internet and they will know what is the government doing, what are the contracts with public interest. They will know. And they will know also where the money goes. Now, the red tape can be removed. The lagay system. We should have a daily accomplishment report wherein if the paper enters any government agency, on that day, he or she must have a report. And the chief on Friday must see to it that this has been done. Properly acted upon. No more. Paikot-ikot. Run around. No more.
Ma'am,
Now, okay.
wala kayong vice-presidente?
I have
Sino po?
si Judge Diego Palomares, who is also a practitioner like me, for the press also.
Sa mga senators, wala po kayong mga senators? Wala po.
We have.
Kasi professor, pwede siya. What is your first order of the day? Pagkakuya po, anong unang order of the day?
Marching order.
National Identification System. And simultaneous, not only the order of the day, because there are 24 hours in a day, I'm working more than 24 hours a day. So the first day is, upon declaration that we won the election, we will first make an order for the national identification system, and then we have to order at least 2 modern battleships and 2 submarines to protect the country. So that we will not build by any country.
Alright. Alright, ko itong mga kasama natin sa video nito. Maraming mga questions sa inyo.